When considering testosterone treatments for low T, it's important to understand that testosterone is a tool that your body uses. It works a bit like a force multiplier. Testosterone will provide many benefits even if you make no changes to your lifestyle. Still, the effects of testosterone therapy are most impressive when you combine them with personal efforts to improve your life. Testosterone swells libido, relieves fatigue, and boosts focus. It also increases your baseline metabolism and enhances the effects of working out and eating well. Our bodies are designed to function with a certain baseline of testosterone. Low T depletes wellness, sex drive, and strength because it takes something from you that your body was designed for. While it's possible to live with testosterone deficiency, it severely detracts from your ability to make the most out of your life. When most people think of testosterone, overly buff bodybuilders and weightlifters often come to mind, but it provides excellent results to men just like you. Whether you're interested in adopting a weight training program or just getting out and about on your feet, testosterone creams and injections will make it easier for those efforts to bear the fruit of wellness. It's important to talk to a health specialist before making any big changes to your activity level. But luckily, most men's health clinics offer medical and fitness advice to help you get the most out of your bioidentical testosterone program. Thinking about testosterone as a magic bullet for increased vitality is the wrong mindset. It's a tool that you can use to achieve the results you may have been dreaming about for years. While we're learning more about the benefits of hormone replacement every year, the coordinated benefits of exercise and testosterone therapy are well founded in the current body of research. One study specifically compared the benefits of low T treatment based on activity level. One group of participants lived an inactive lifestyle while the other combined exercise with testosterone. This second group worked out 3 days a week for 80 minutes, combining aerobic exercise with weight training and stretches. While both groups experienced benefits, the exercise group experienced much better results. In the end, they had higher testosterone levels, more lean muscle, less body fat, and fewer issues associated with suppressed testosterone. The exercise program also led the patients to be less reliant on testosterone therapy in the long term, as symptom relief lasted longer after low T treatments concluded. Working out improves testosterone results because it gives testosterone more opportunities to do what it was meant to do. Testosterone is specifically designed to act on muscles to improve strength, but you have to actually put in the work to really see results. Testosterone won't just magically make you swole, but it will give you the energy to put more effort into your workouts, and it will make those results more visible. This not only leads to improved lean muscle, but it also helps you out with cardio, which helps you lose weight in combination with your increased basal metabolism. Studies have shown that testosterone therapy becomes more effective as you lose weight, so the exercise also makes low T treatment just work better overall. Testosterone's natural cognitive and psychological benefits also combine with the proven benefits of exercise to improve your mental health and acuity. No two patients respond to HRT treatment in the same way, and our hormone specialists understand that. We can help fit your hormone therapy program specifically to your needs to help you see the best possible results. So go ahead and click the link below in the description of this video to get started. Either call our telephone number on our website or write in using our contact form.